What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel one. My name is Pranav and in today's video we're going to be talking about original Windows 10, or should I say real genuine Windows 10. This is not a sponsored video, but what okay, this is not a sponsored video, but what basically happened, actually I was using a Windows 10 laptop for around 3 years now, and actually I just installed the Windows 10 on it using the official Windows 10 tool from the website that I just downloaded, and I made a bootable USB drive, and I just then installed the Windows 10, and it gave me the option to just activate the Windows for about 1 year. But after that, soon it got deactivated. Then I was about, how can I activate it for free? Then I just used the KMS Pico tool, and it was really awesome that it worked for me that time. But now, since 2-3 weeks, the Windows got deactivated, and I was like, how can I activate it for something lesser than the original price of the Windows 10? And I just found a way, and it's really awesome. So make sure you watch this video till the end, and let's get it started. Okay, so what you get is this way. You get the original activation key for the Windows 10, or pretty much any other Microsoft software that you want to activate for free, and it's just cheaper than the original price of that product, and basically it just works fine. And for me, I just got the Windows 10 key for about 800 rupees, which is original price is about 4,000 to 5,000 activation key, but I just got it for about 800 rupees. So now I was wondering, how can I get a Windows 10 for so much cheaper price than its original price? And I just found a way that you can also do is buy Windows 10 for about Windows 10 activation key for about 800 rupees, which is just roughly equal to 4,200 rupees discount, because the original Windows 10 key activation key is just for about 5,000 rupees if you guys go ahead and buy through a retail store or a Amazon or Flipkart. But with this method that I'll show you, you can just get it for about 800 to 1,000 rupees, and it's really simple. And believe me guys, this is not a scam, this is totally legit, and I personally did it. I will show you how I activated my Windows. Okay, so what you basically have to do is go into the link in the description below and choose the version of the Windows, which in this case we're going to be choosing Windows 10 Pro and OEM key. So just click on that and then click on buy. Once you click on buy, you will be redirected to the carts page, and over here you have to apply the coupon code to get a flat 200 rupees discount on the total price of your Windows 10 OEM key. And then you basically have to fill in the billing details, and once you fill the billing details, click on cash on delivery and accept the terms and conditions and place your order. So once you will place your order, you will get a mail from them, the confirmation mail, that yes, this is your order number and what is the method that you would like to choose, which in this case I choose a Paytm. And soon after that I asked them give me the details, and they provided me the details. Okay, so basically after doing the payment, I took a screenshot of the payment and I just mailed them, and they were like, okay, you're genuine, you have paid the money. Then after 1 hour of the payment, they just gave me the key, and you can see the window got activated, and that's totally legit. So yeah guys, that is it, pretty much it for this video. Now if you guys like the video, make sure you just give a like and subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos like these. And for the coupon code, they will be in the description below. Thank you so much for watching guys. My name is Pranav, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.